So what's going on YouTube? So I had the other day, I was driving my car and I noticed the three lights coming on, and that's going to be the VDC, the ABS, and the slip. And you hear a little bit of vibration. So I come to check it out, do some researching. I guess it's going to be the ABS relay. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about right now, and it's about a $200 piece, but I got a little temporary fix that you can probably check out. So this is my G35 right here that I was having the issues with. So let me show you guys and point out what I'm talking about. So give me a moment, work with me. So you're gonna hear this right here going on right here. That's gonna be making some buzzy noises right there. But that's not your issue. Your issue is really gonna be next to it. It's gonna be this relay right here. So go ahead and give it like a little tap right here on the corner, and it should temporarily fix your issue until you want to go and buy a relay. Hope that helps.